ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Talk Talk. Now, before the break, we talk about say is it okay to hook up on a first date. You never meet this person before, or maybe you don't meet him and they talk on phone. Then I can decide to hang out on a particular day. Is it okay to give in to the person? Yes or no?
No.
And
most of us say no.
May I just say the decision day your hand.
It's all up to you.
Yes.
Because there are some cases where you say at the end of the day, giving in to the person, the ladies always feel like the victim. Oh, he used me. Oh, he used me.
Use you.
The decision is up to you as far as I'm concerned. If you want to talk now, enjoy them together. So
what if he use me? Some ladies they use guy. You see,
yeah. But you
give them after you give her, you lock up.
Yeah.
No, you use her.
Yes, but you not say ladies.
But I tell you, like what you really been they talk. The risks of men these days, waiting for you to they do 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. The rates they very low because if you see say you they carry go another girl ready there to position, give take care of pamper and he carry on with
if you like somebody,
then you get one way we say you keep for wait.
Sorry, you go continue. If you like somebody, walk up to tell the person, not walk up to give the person. Difference.
That's why I said it. No, that's why I said at the beginning to date the person or you decide to enter bedroom with the person.
With the person.
We talk the same thing.
No, date the person or decide to enter bedroom. Don't be the same thing.
No, say okay. The word now is one night stand.
So what's be your question now? Because I don't get confused.
Is it okay to hook up with the person? Now this is our hook up here on top of the show. Now in 2 different ways. Is it okay to give in to the man on the first date or the woman and then enter bedroom, or is it okay to actually decide to date the person? First time when they meet.
Is it okay to decide to date the person? Not mean say anything. What's be dating?
You must
dating
not to just go out together.
They get to know
ourselves.
Okay, you know how we did put our dating now. Decide to actually boyfriend or girlfriend the person.
And if
the moment where if they ask you, you know, say the first time when I'll come out to the person before, and all your friends know say you they single, but now you only go out to the person once and come back. So your friends, you can't tell your friends say my status don't change.
Yeah.
You understand? So they say, how? Okay, because I'm dating now. And our first time when I go out. And I want
so those friends will go begin ask questions. Say how long you don't know. What's happening?
No, they don't ask you how long because they don't say you did single.
No, you don't. I need to some people go ask. Sorry, Amaka. Some people go ask questions. Say how you go just go out one date, one person come back, say you don't date this person.
Yes. Now
when you go market and you see blue jeans and you don't find navy blue jeans and you say that navy blue pencil jeans, now you won't buy. If you go to the market, you see them for inside market.
Identify.
You they come back, go and tell your friend, say, I be see one jeans, so go and me see the jeans, so whether the jeans fine like one way they my head, so I go fit buy them.
So you
see where me at my own response.
Yes.
They say I say now you be adults, decide how you want that. Now let you carry your
choice.
Money go market.
When they talk
decide what you want.
When they talk dating, we don't need to be boyfriend, girlfriend, say we did date. I don't know if you understand what that. I feel see guy
what's boyfriend?
What is?
No, she they talk boyfriend, girlfriend.
No, so they ask the
I want date. Maybe I just see. Oh, can we go to the? Can I get you something?
No, they just
not use Yoruba language.
Based on dates.
You they go on dates. They're different from we date.
If now wait I try to talk now, say differentiate them a bit because
I have told you already.
That ordinary date, just put ordinary dates.
I have told you. I say dating the person. Will you decide
Dating,
to date the person?
You call the person boyfriend.
I am explaining.
Then if you want follow the person, enter for me 18. After that first quarter, I do. Now one call enter for me. The first half, I agree. Nothing is wrong. Second half, now the one way I talk and stand on no. Simple.
Decision is
seconded.
Yours. As far as I'm concerned. Second emotion.
I second the motion.
How are you out there? You tell us what you think about them. Enter Twitter at TalkTalk or you enter Facebook TalkTalk-Wazobia TV. All right. Now, time that we should also enter tips of the day. Now, a lot of people, we know say nowadays relationship matter, they trend past any other issue.
No, but nowadays, don't they?
Okay, don't they?
No, but don't tell where they trend.
Yeah,
just that the invention of social media come make them easier to reach thousands of people in a second by just typing T, the letter or T, or I,
typing
or
S.
And a lot of people, they ask the question, I don't know whether you are one of the person where they ask, okay, how I fit actually get over heartbreak. I don't know what to do, what I go do, blah, blah, blah. So we see some tips online and you know what's in, we go actually decide if this works or not.
Okay.
You know, so on top of the show, we're not just listen to tips.
Nah, come on.
We actually practicalize them with our own life experience and decide whether this thing they actually work or not. Now we're gonna give you some tips, then 5 different tips on how, according by research what they don't do, 5 tips on how you go take get over break. Number one, delete and block the person from your social media page. Ladies, does this work? Let's just be practical.
Okay, I get person where we say in relationship actually break, you don't know why. Like, no be Nigeria happen. Them that side they say they want to know closure. They look for closure, but for Nigeria, not just any guy get time to give you closure. Reason why, where, and how. So in they look for closure, but before you go ask the question, you know, even though say the relationship don't end, but for the girl part, the relationship don't end. So all her brothers, her mom, her sisters, everybody with the social media, where they connected to them. In just to say BB contacts just they reduce first. Check who deletes me, who deletes me. The next thing, Facebook, everything don't reduce. If they try to connect to them, and even the mutual friends who they get together, they don't say what thing happen actually, what thing be the problem, you know? But it still leave the contact till one day somebody can write something to that person. Because he still put them on, he can't see what's in the person write. Can't say, oh, you still they function. Now he send that message, oh, hi. And the high can cause big for us. So if I not even go through that thing, because it be don't go through the heartbreak.
So like you are saying you have to delete it.
Sometimes, since the person deletes you first, just let go.
So let's forget about who deletes
but if
first.
not you,
forget over heartbreak.
Yeah, nah, it get heartbroken. Yeah. But it's difficult for them to imagine, say, this thing don't day over actually. But the person don't already take them off. You understand? But he still keep calm, making brain they loving and caring.
So
you understand? That's what I'm asking you.
So it means say that a proper way now make it delete social media, whatever.
To get over the heartbreak.
To me, it depends on how the broken hearts or the heartbreak take come. Okay. Sometimes it's very dirty, and you just need the closure, just end them there. But sometimes, you know, you feel still reamend, and yes, that time the problem still the hot. But when you give them a moment, maybe when our office can't recount, okay, what's really happen? When I feel no come back, but when I feel be friends. To me, so sometimes, you know, 50-50 are there on the both sides. No, just block streets.
Okay.
Well, because not two different people, they come together. And so it takes years, trouble go come, go come. But hey, if you feel still calm down, like our research, loving and care, that word I see the singer for my
so loving and 50-50 for
yeah. 50-50 well, I could just talk, say it depends on the individual. Because individual are different. They like to talk this, everybody different. Our finger not they equal. Neither sure. Our toes they equal. Because if me, I use myself for example now. I know say some kind of things where I go look, sometimes where you go do, I fit do them. But at the same time, I go caution myself. So kind of things the other person go do, I go not go fit do them, and I go even want to try them. So if for her now, if she deletes contact, she go do all right. Me, if I delete contact, I feel no do all right. So make her just leave her. May they there.
So you they see the person.
I go just see the person, and you know go really do anything to me. You not be say I don't want to follow the person quarrel. I don't want to get any bad thinking of the person. So if at all I see the person anywhere, any day, anytime, I go greet you. I go still smile, give you. Good. We no quarrel. But if I delete you, I don't forget everything about you. I feel don't even forget because you know say some people then get your number for their head. It stick for their head. So even if they delete and come off from phone, you delete and come off for your head. It's still in your head.
You go make head.
So no matter what happen, you go still not see that number there your head. If you see the person tomorrow, the anger go still there.
Thank you.
You don't go come out. People differ.
Make I even continue on a shopping story. Now, 3-4 days ago, I never tell anybody this. They actually find out one of my ex they get married.
Okay. And
this is not person where they try patch things up like okay, make we see go work, no go work. It did my contact. Yes, we know the date, but you understand. I don't go delete you for anything because for me, if I delete you, it means I never they ready to deal with the issue at hand. I never they ready to accept the fact, say, okay, we no date together again. But if you did there, they see things, I they see say, okay, you they move on. It go bring that reality to me, say, okay, yes,
move on.
It don't end. And I actually see pre-wedding photos. When I say I first almost got attacked, I say, what did they marry? You understand that kind of thing? But I said, I called the look, I called the another, I said, the girl not even fine. So. She don't beat her hand. But at the end of the day, it don't happen. Yes. It don't happen. And I like the fact say I feel I did able to actually tell her that week off now we go talk later.
Like
but
we go discuss.
I didn't happy say I get the courage and the confidence. I even tell them say, oh congrats, so as you find love, God go give me my own. So you pray for me, join. Say, oh.
Yeah.
Even if they pay me for inside, but hey, it don't happen.
It don't happen.
If I want cry, you know, go change the fact, say, it don't make a decision. Like, nothing where you want to. So for me, I say deal with the issue head on. Nothing like delete social media or do this. What's it? Because the other way they talk, I'm saying, no, be every relationship they end up like the final stop. You understand? So what's if
that person end the marriage, some they break and it don't make sense. What if the reason
why the person actually come your life still different? What if you won't give you a job in future?
Exactly.
Or in future you won't donate kidney or something? You fit still see reason why una go fit relate. So why block the person?
For me, it's watching Amaka don't talk. It boils down on the person. How you take the cope with pain. Is it that when you see the person picture all the time, it reminds you of the pain where the person don't inflict on you? Or when you see the person don't move on, you are okay with it? Now, it all depends on you. If you're not there okay with seeing the person's picture, I feel at that point you need to just delete the person, for me. But if seeing the person's picture, like for me, I want to see your picture. I want to see and see you they move on. You should make it pain me. Let me cry. But at least let me just know that you are moving on. So if person they're outside there, we know actually take me seeing me, like me where they see the picture, then it's okay for you to delete. It's okay. It's personality differences.
Yeah, to me, it is 50-50. It depends on how I take break up. If you did very dirty, the one we reach like insult and all that, it gets some relationship.
Can I tell you, darling? Can I just say something?
Let that one be.
Whether it was a peaceful
or
breakup,
rugged, anyhow.
Breakup is always very hard.
Yes.
Oh, definitely.
Especially when you really love the person. Even though say when I sit down and say, please, I'm sorry, because this particular issue where we get now, something where we not feel actually work out, it cannot go this way, all of us don't cry together. It's hard.
Something like that.
You know, say get one heartbreak. One of my friends, when she break up with her boyfriend, see what she do. They say,
you clean my face.
Exactly what the girl do. My yeye friends, they come sit down. She lie down. The cuckoo can't help her. First cut is the deep end. They call the cigar for the girl. They cry. She didn't cry. They sing and they go.
So you see that girl, the girl where they cry, plus the friends where they sing, then joy.
They are wicked.
All of them, they don't get sense.
When they go, they just say, "Oh, I don't try." Say, where she they cry? They say, "Stop to cry. You don't do it." She don't agree. She still cry. But I love her. They say, "Oh yeah, okay, yeah." They come sit down, come play the song for her. First they sing the song. They go, "Fast cut is the deep." So person that they're individuals. Really
all of them will play that song for her. All of them will go through heartbreak. And then they will understand what it is.
They will be replaced by one by each.
What is that wickedness?
Why the cause?
I don't know. But at the end of the day, she can finally forget the guy. Exactly.
No, but if na cry go solve am, make she cry.
Cry out,
that's,
yeah.
Now,
they help her,
that
she
leads
cry
us to number two. Now, number two thing what you need to do to get over heartbreak, cry if you need to cry. Just cry. Even though say person you want to cry to they laugh at you, just cry. Even though say the one thing first cut is the deepest for you.
and this particular point, I actually agree with him 100%. Yeah. I feel say when you they go through not just heartbreak, anything in life will actually hurt you. You need to cry because the person where creators where puts cry for inside the body, no say that the only no say that the major way where you go fit take release pain. You understand? I don't mean say, oh, as I tell you say it's over between us, then you go begin cry. Don't leave me. If you decide say you won't cry after 3 months, no problem.
Yes.
If you won't cry immediately, no problem. If you won't cry after 1 year, but that cry. Because I get person now, this is not even relationship heartbreak, this is not person we're actually losing papa. And then because him be the firstborn, agree, they try form tough for the family because they try hold the family together, you understand? So he no cry, then do the burial, do everything, he no cry. This particular day, just enter the papa former room, now he smell the papa perfume. I tell you, the breakdown where this guy gets, he land him for hospital and not cry. So if you need to cry,
just cry.
Cry. If it take you 3 months to cry,
cry
the cry. Because by the time you cry, the cry finish. The day where you go laugh, you go come they laugh the cry where you don't cry, sir. Because everything go don't come out your system at that time.
Me to cry, no, because if you need me to help you cry, please come pay me. No. That's why they laugh at it.
You and Oliver Modi.
Now they cry away.
But guess you just watch ordinary with television.
Start to cry.
She never seen food.
All right, why would they
as I talk like this?
Why would they laugh Queen Bee on top of the crying ministry where she gets? We're going to
tell you, that's what's higher.
When we come back after the break, 3 more things to do after heartbreak. So stay with us.
Stay with us.
if you know say just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.